Having trouble with your Xiaomi phone's vibration acting up? No worries. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to get it sorted out once and for all. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check for hardware issues. First up, let's open the Settings app. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, go ahead and tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down a bit until you spot the kernel version. Now, tap on it a few times until you enter the CIT or Hardware Test mode. Next, hit Vibrator Test. Give it a check to see if your phone vibrates. If it doesn't, it might be time to reach out to the Xiaomi Service Center for further assistance. Solution 2. Toggle vibration options. Back to the Settings app once again. Scroll down until you find Sound and Vibration, then tap on it. Now let's locate the Vibrate section. Toggle off and on the Vibrate for calls and Vibrate in silent mode options. Then tap on Vibrate on tap and choose off. Next, tap on it again and select Light. Now see if the issue has been resolved. Solution 3. Factory resetting your device. Time to head back to the Settings menu. Tap on About Phone. Scroll down a tad and tap on Factory Reset. Then select Erase All Data. After that, hit the Factory Reset button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're done, the problem should be taken care of. And there you have it. That's how you tackle vibration issues on Xiaomi devices. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give that like button a good smash. Questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real quick. Thanks for tuning in.